To activate your Kiwibank debit card, start by ensuring you have received your card and the accompanying documents, including your personal identification number PIN. If you have not received your card, contact Kiwibank immediately to report the issue and request a replacement. First, locate the sticker on the front of your debit card with the phone number to call for activation. Dial this number and follow the automated prompts to begin the activation process. You will be asked to enter your card number, which is the 16-digit number on the front of your card, and your date of birth. Next, you will be prompted to create a new PIN for your debit card. Choose a PIN that is unique and not easily guessed, such as a combination of letters and numbers. Avoid using easily accessible information like your birthdate or name. Enter your new PIN when prompted, and then confirm it by re-entering the same PIN. Once you have created your PIN, your debit card will be activated and ready for use. You can now use your card to make purchases, withdraw cash, and access your account online or through the Kiwibank mobile app. As a best practice, always keep your PIN confidential and never share it with anyone. Regularly review your account activity to detect any suspicious transactions, and report any issues to Kiwibank immediately. By following these steps and maintaining good account hygiene, you can securely and conveniently use your Kiwibank debit card for all your financial needs. If you encounter any issues during the activation process, or if you have questions about using your debit card, you can contact Kiwibank customer service for assistance. They are available to help you with any concerns or problems you may have, and can provide additional guidance on how to get the most out of your debit card.